Hey friend, I'm Sarah from Ensign Insights, and my main goal is to help you live your most confident life through hand lettering. Whether lettering is a hobby, a therapy, or a current or future business, none of us are immune to the comparing monster. Aren't you tired of feeling like you'll never be good enough? I'm so excited to share your confident lettering style course with you. Really quick, let's break down your confident lettering style. What does it mean to be confident? Confidence is loving yourself for all that you are, not just what you think you're supposed to be. You really have to get to know yourself to be able to love yourself for everything that you are. That's exactly what we're going to do in this course. Next, what is a lettering style? There is no greater freedom than being able to create what's inside. It's an expression of you. It's a way that you create, whether that's how you create or why you create, that's unique to you. And that is so beautiful. Your style will continue to grow and change with you if you have the confidence to stop comparing and keep trying. It takes a lot of confidence to share your style because no one can tell you exactly what it's supposed to look like. It's such a personal thing. The goal of this course is not to teach you exactly the way that I letter. Instead, you will learn a process of creating your style without comparing to anyone. As you're more confident in your lettering, you will be more confident in all other aspects of your life. I've seen that with myself, and I've also seen that with others that I've taught. So if you're ready to break away from comparisons and start lettering confidently, join me in this course as we create confidence one letter at a time.